This video highlights some of the ways to use the choice feature on Connect. So in order to get to the choice feature, you just simply select the topic that you want the choice to appear under, create a learning activity, select choice, and this will bring you up to where you have to name your choice and provide a description. Some of these main drop-down menus here will be some of the most important ones to make sure you're filling out before you publish this choice to your students. If you want students to be able to select more than one response, then you'll want to change this box to say yes. If you want to limit the number of responses allowed, then you'll change this box to say yes. Down here is where you'll type the options. So let's say I want to limit how many options I put. And I want only 2 students to be able to select this option. So for option 1 and 2, I set the limit at 2, and for options 3, 4, and 5, I set the limit at 3. Now if I needed more options, I would just simply click Add 3 fields to form at the bottom, and it will give you 3 more options. And you can continue to do that until all the options are displayed. The choice tool is really helpful if you're assigning research projects and you want students to participate in a variety of different research topics. So you may set a limit on how many students can research a certain topic. This would be a fair way for them to decide on Connect who gets to research what topic, and it keeps the headache down for you of having to track that on paper or through email. Again, you can expand all of these options over here just like any other assignment and set that to your liking. Once you're done with that, you just save and display down here. And this is how it will appear to students. They'll be able to select their option here and save a choice. And then you will be able to view the responses here, and you'll be able to see which student selected which option and then the totals for all the options. You can also download this information in Excel, ODS, or in a text format to keep it up in your records.